right, now we're about 18 hours into this. No, I'm just kidding. But we do have some really good news, all right? I got, this is ready. Oh, look at that. Is that a thing of beauty? You know, meat with a handle, especially a built-in one, you can't go wrong. But if I'm correct, is our New York ready also?
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh, yes, it is. She told me beforehand, I won't lie. You know what's amazing? The amazing part is I need a thermometer when I cook. I cook with a thermometer all the time, okay? Carla here, she went, no, it needs a couple more minutes. I'm like, no, well, okay, needs a couple more minutes. I mean, it's just unbelievable. So I'm pretty impressed, all right? What should we cut into first? I say we cut the tomahawk first.
Yes.
Yes. What do you think, Brent?
I've been waiting for the tomahawk.
All right, then we'll go to the New York strip first. How's that?
Sons of bitch. Will you come on already? Come
Jesus,
on, let's
okay.
do this.
Way to go there, Ruffy boy. All right, so I'm gonna trim this the way that I like to cut my tomahawks, okay? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna separate out the spinalis.
That's my part.
That's your part. Oh, yeah, uh-huh. That's because her name is Chef Carla, so she gets chef's choice. And then I'm gonna kind of cut some slices across. Oh, look at that. Come on.
That's good.
Carla.
Keep distracting him.
Oh, we didn't mean to bother you. So here's the amazing part about cooking like this, okay? Is that a lot of times when I cook a ribeye, the spinalis is like dark meat. And I mean, you know, it's much darker, but look at this, pink, straight through, okay? And this has been sitting for a while up on that upper warming rack, all right? But look at that spinalis. Is that amazing? All right, so I think what time it is right now, y'all know what time it is. Brim, I got a little gift for you. No, here, you're feeding yourself today. Carla, may I? Excuse me. All right, Carla. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. The food's ready. I can't believe that nobody else is just showing up. Oh, yeah, that makes sense now. Say hi to the camera, Caitlin.
Hi to the camera, Caitlin.
She did it. So I think we got to cut into the New York, and I have no beef with that.
You're very punny. Very punny. Very punny.
All right, let's move this. Yeah, we'll just move this tomahawk aside. Yeah. All right, now, Carla, what am I doing here? I'm just going to cut it like I would a regular New York strip, right? Just cut it.
Yeah.
All right.
But
Here we
it's
go,
not like
kids.
a regular New York strip.
No.
It's got nice and crispy on the outside. The crunchies.
So this is like the bonus. Little crunchies from the fat that just absolutely crunchified on the outside. Yeah. All right, well, thanks for coming, you guys. Take care now. This is all mine. All right, let's see what we got here. We'll cut it right down the middle. It's tender. Oh,
Look at that.
Look at that. Good Lord. Come on.
Wow. Look at that.
Oh.
The twin.
All right, so I think that what we need to do is do this.
Oh, wow.
I mean, that is just, it just doesn't get better than that. It looks like, I know it's New York strip, it looks like prime rib, you know?
It does.
All right, so now can we try that?
Absolutely.
All right, what is that again?
I don't know. You tell me, Ron.
Salsa de Croatia.
Give it a try.
I got to hear it one more time.
Salsa de Croatia.
It's not salsa de Croatia. Salsa de...
Criolla.
Croatia. Croatia.
I can smell it.
And what exactly is in there?
It is tomato, peppers, all different color peppers, onions, my rub, olive oil, and vinegar.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah?
It's so beautiful. It should be called salsa de awesomeness. Oh my God. Oh, that New York strip. Oh my God.
It's like,
That brings it to a whole new level. A whole new level. The flavor behavior in that is unbelievably ridiculous good.
Incidentally, I'm stealing that term, the flavor behavior.
That's mine.
What did you say?
That's
Salt.
trademark.
About the salt before too. But
it's really good.
the meat alone is so outstanding. It's so tender. It's so flavored. I don't know how, but I guess maybe through the slowness, there's like the smoke. It kind of almost, I don't want to say it penetrates it because it's not smoky, but you got that flavor. Golly, it's good. Oh,
really
my
good.
goodness. It's just,
Really good.
it's different than grilling a steak. It's just different.
Very.
And it's so damn good.
So
Sorry,
Unbelievably
Ron, I have
scrumptious.
to.
You don't have to be sorry, Carla. I don't blame you one bit. Oh
All
my
the flavors
goodness.
melt together, make such a marriage in your mouth.
Yeah.
You know,
Yep.
it hits every single one of your taste buds.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
just
y-
explosions in your mouth. It's delicious.
You know what? I think you just nailed it. Actually, it hits like all of the taste buds.
It permeates.
I got a little bit of
Delicious.
everything. My mouth is so happy right now.
It is,
And it's
right?
gonna make you want to
My
go
mouth
more,
is so
more,
happy.
more.
No doubt about it. You want to know what really is really cool?
What?
Now we got ribs too.
I know.
Ah, how far are we from ribs? Are we?
Right now.
Right now?
We're ready.
Let's do it, baby. All right, what's next, Carla? We got up here. We got here. What do we got?
I think these ribs are ready.
You think the
I
ribs
don't-
are ready?
I don't know. You tell me, Ron.
Trust
what do you
me.
think?
She says they're ready. Trust me when I tell you they're ready. I happen to have these beautiful heat gloves with me, so that was
That's
just how
ooh,
convenient. All right, the nice part is we just lift this out of here, and look at those gorgeous babies, huh?
Wow.
Make a grown man cry. Look at that.
This
Is
is
that gorgeous or what? Oh my goodness.
Oh damn. You done.
Carla,
you
you're
done
cutting-
killed me, and I'm in heaven.
Carla, you're coming back and cooking for us every day, right? I'm
Let's
just
go.
checking, okay?
Hey, that's what I do.
You're like, hey, you know, for the right price, anything's possible. All right, so if I'm correct, all we do is the same thing. Just push down on here, pull this
Yep.
out of here, right? And then the grand reveal.
There you
Like it wasn't revealed already. Look at those babies. Good Lord. Come on now. All right, let's see. So you think this bone's just going to pull right out of
I
here?
think so.
Come on.
I hope so.
Yeah, well, I suppose so. It's got a little piece of tendon here. I think
It's a little hot.
Yeah, it's a little hot for one thing. You got gloves on. Oh my. Yeah, that should be illegal in some states. That's amazing, man.
There
Yeah.
you go.
I mean, come on. Let's see what we got. You ready, Brim?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Well, you don't gotta yell, jeez.
Sorry. Get excited.
God, come on. Carla. I'm terrible at cutting. I want to eat it so badly. I'm terrible job at cutting it. Para ti.
Come on, everybody. Tink tink.
Cheers.
Clink,
Tink,
clink.
clink, clink, clink. Tink, tink. Good. Oh, good God. Come on.
Good golly, Miss Molly.
Good
wow.
eating in the hood.
That's what I'm talking about.
Eating is good in the hood. That's what I meant to say.
There we go.
Oh, my God. Carla. Really?
Came out good, right?
Oh, my goodness.
You about done yourself.
Tender,
Now you gotta check these out.
juicy. You know, the salt, I really think the salt went through osmosis and got down into the meat. I could taste it. Like, sounds funny, but I can taste it all the way through the meat.
All the way through.
What's
Yep.
funny is earlier she had said the meat is intelligent.
Mm-hmm.
So it doesn't matter how much salt you put on it, it's going to work itself out.
Yeah.
And it did.
And it did.
That's fantastic.
Never
It's the same.
fails.
I mean, realistically, I guess since it takes such a long time, I guess it kind of works the same way as resting. I mean, like pre-seasoning your steak like a half hour before you cook it. You put
Right.
that salt on, let it sit. So this kind of did the same thing, I think.
Exact same thing. It's just hanging out there.
Because it's got that pop of flavor all the way through, not just on the outside. Wow. You ready?
Wow. Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I was born.
All right,
ready.
stop.
I
Oh,
told
my
you.
God, come on.
You're killing me, Smalls. Cut
Good
it up.
Lord.
Cut it up.
We're gonna go back to the sandlot and eat this together.
And in this case, if you're home, you cut it in cubes.
I don't expect much. I'll try it, but
We got a little bone.
Oh.
That's my fault.
oh man, wow.
Really good.
First of
good.
all, I can't believe it's actually quite a bit different than cooked whole like that.
Yeah. Whole different flavor, right?
Wow. Yeah.
And it's crazy because it's the exact same cut.
Yeah. I mean, the only thing, literally the only thing different is you cross cut the bones.
Yep.
Right. That's the only.
The only thing.
You know, I guess it's sort of like scoring the fat cap down to the meat on a pork butt or something like that when you're going to
Correct.
smoke it. You know, it allows the flavor to penetrate better. Maybe by cutting it like that, it just allowed the flavor and the heat to get to the meat. Woo, that's good.
It's good,
oh
right?
my
The
goodness,
difference
yeah.
between our cooking methods on these as well is that we put this one all the way in the bottom.
Right.
So the heat hit it a lot stronger than this one.
Right.
So this one did cook a little like lower.
Yeah. So, you know, I'm so used to cooking this on a big green egg and smoking it, kind of, you know, doing it the same way I would a brisket. I've never tasted one that tasted like this because it's such a different method of cooking it. I'm a little bit speechless because I never anticipated that to taste like that. So, we were going to make this awesome pizza. Carla, tell us about the pizza that you were going to make. What was it going to be?
It was gonna be a chuck flap pizza.
Chuck flap. It almost looks like a skirt steak in a way, or a flank steak in a way to me, you know?
Beautiful.
Yeah, gorgeous.
And we were gonna grill that first, then add some sauce and cheese to it, some
Yeah.
pepperonis,
Yeah.
but
Yeah. So you notice she keeps
Future
saying
segment.
we're going to. So you brought the steak,
Yeah.
you brought the sauce, and you said, Ron, pick up the cheese, right? Guess who forgot to get the cheese?
Definitely cut the cheese.
Ah,
You had one job,
I
Ron.
know I had one job.
You had one job.
One job, come on, man.
All you
come
had to
on.
do, one job, you had to feed me. That's all you needed to do was feed me, and I was looking forward to it with the little pepperonis and all that jazz.
All right, but we do have one last thing. We are going to make dessert, right? We've got a super pineapple dessert for you. We're going to saute some pineapple or saute it. What are we going to do?
We're gonna grill a little bit and then chop them up, saute them, a little bit of rum. The rest is just
Let's go, baby. All right, Carla, so you sauteed the pineapple in butter and rum.
Yes.
I'm already sold, okay?
Yes.
And you said there's even more steps to this?
there's gotta be, right? As
Okay.
a true Argentinian,
Yes.
always need this in my life.
Okay.
Dulce de leche.
Oh my God, yes! Woo! Steak, snake, bring on the dulce de leche.
Bring it on! Oh, yeah. Oh, it's on like Donkey Kong in a thong.
know what I
Singing a song. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna get it on.
Oh my goodness. All right.
Ready?
Oh, there's more? What is this?
Let's get some toasted almonds in.
Toasted almonds,
You
come
need a toasted
on
almond
now.
bar for my mom.
Oh my God.
Remember that old school Eddie
I
Murphy?
do remember that.
Shout out, Eddie. If you're watching this, call me.
My shoe. All right.
So, all right, we're
So
gonna.
all we do is just
Go
reach
for it.
in, just grab it like
I'm gonna
that.
reach in and grab it.
Cheers, my brother. Our last bite of the day together. I'm a little sad. I'm not sad anymore. Oh my
I'm
God.
closing down the house, baby. It's dark outside, and it's happy in my belly.
My taste buds are dancing right now. Oh my
This is
God.
fantastic, by the way.
Oh my God, so good.
Thank you.
This is absolutely fantastic.
Simple, delicious pineapple, sauteed in butter and rum, and then covered with dulce de leche and toasted almonds. How do you go wrong? Oh my God.
That's
Hey,
the thing. You can't go wrong.
you can't. Listen, I gotta tell you something. This has been one unbelievable day. I have had so much fun. I learned a lot. My belly's full. My heart is full. First of all, I can't thank both of you enough for coming
No,
here
Ron.
and doing this today with us. I mean, this is outstanding. So,
This is
guys,
a great time.
make sure you follow at the Real Brimstone,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And Chef Chetanita
Yes,
Miami,
yes.
right?
There you go, there
Okay.
you
Probably
go.
down there somewhere.
Also, yeah, there'll
you know.
be links for everything down below, okay? Everybody's contact, you want to buy Carla's sauce, there'll be all kinds of stuff. All the links are down below. Check them out, all right? And listen, while we got you, these guys did, don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Remember, you got to like the video and leave us a comment. Please, we love you and we hope you love us back. Leave us a comment. You know you want to try this, right?
Dig in.
Let us know.
Make sure
All right?
you eat well and prosper, baby.
That's right.
There
We
we
love
go.
it. Listen, that's all we've got for you. Remember, get out and grill. Captain Ron?
Chetanita Miami.
Brimstone! Out!